Dear student, so Simpson's rule. Already we have seen trapezoidal rule. Now the second video, Simpson's rule. So how to solve the same integrand e power x plus y using Simpson's rule. So this is the formula for Simpson's rule. Instead of hk by 9, there is hk by 4. Are you clear? The same thing, sum of the corner values. And next thing, plus 2 into sum of the values at the odd position on the boundaries. Okay, so I will explain later. So see the formula first and then I will explain later. Sum of the values at the odd position, this is very important. Odd position on the boundaries, that is very important. Okay, odd position on the boundaries, plus 4 into sum of the values at the even position on the boundary. So please remember. And then next one, plus 4 into sum of the values at the odd position, and then plus 8 into sum of the values at the even position. Okay, so 4 and 8 comes under the same criteria on the odd row only. Please remember, odd row. Are you clear? So we are going to consider the odd row except the boundary rows. Only consider the odd rows. It may be R3 or R5 R7, whatever may be. Only consider odd row which is not on the boundary rows. Suppose R1, that is the first row, R5 is the last row, both are boundary rows. Don't consider for this. Only consider in between R1 and R5. In between there is only one odd row, that is R3. Are you clear? Okay. So for these two, 4 and 8, consider only odd row. And go to the next one, plus 8 into sum of the values at the odd position. Okay, sum of the values at the odd position, plus 16 into sum of the values at the even position. Here we are given even row except boundary rows. Here odd row except the boundary rows. Here consider only even row except the boundary rows. So this is the difference between trapezoidal and Simpson's rule. So very simple. The same form table already we have taken. So I have taken only one thing. This is the first row, boundary rule. R2, R3, R4 and R5. So here there are 5 rows. Among the 5 rows, first and last row consider as boundary rows. So don't consider. So here R3, the odd row, only one row R3. And there are 2 even rows, R2 and R4. So I will explain later the positions, odd position and even position. So here there are 4 corner values, which is light green, 1 and 2.71, 7.38 and 2.7. Already we have taken these same value in trapezoidal rule also. So the same values. And next one, except the boundaries. So here we are given 2 into sum of the values at the odd positions on the boundaries. So which are the values on the boundaries? See the table. The first row, already we have seen the first row, all the values, and last column, and the last row, and the first column. These all the values are called boundary values except the 4 values, 1, 2.71, 7.38 and 2.7. Already we have taken, so don't consider hereafter for all things. So only for the first thing, sum of the corner values. So already we have taken these 4 values. So don't consider hereafter. Okay, now the second thing, sum of the values at the odd positions on the boundaries only. So please remember. So how to start the odd positions? So far this is the first position, so don't consider, already we have taken, even though it is a odd position. 1 is a odd position, so don't take, already which comes under corner values. Okay, 1, 2, this is even position. 3, this is the odd position. So even though it is a odd position, please check that value lies on boundary or not. So here the value lies on boundary, so we can consider. So this is the position number 3, and this is 4, so even position, don't consider. And then this is 5, so already we have taken, so don't consider. And 5, go to here. 6, 6th place. This is 7th place. This is odd position, but which is not in the boundary, so interior place, so don't consider. 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So this is the odd position as well as which is lies on boundary. So please remember, so the odd position must lies on the boundary, so only consider these values. So 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, so don't consider. 22, 23, so it is lies on boundary. 24 and 25. So which are the values we are going to take in? So these are the pink values. 1, 2, 3, these 4. These 4 only consider for the second thing. And next thing, 4 into sum of the values at the even position. It's the same rule we are going to apply. So consider only even values which are in the boundaries. So which are the values we are going to take? This green color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. These 8 values consider. So all the values are in boundary, at the same time they are in the position, even position. Okay. At next one, 4 into sum of the values at the odd position, 8 into sum of the values in the even position, odd row. Please remember. So select first odd row and then select the values odd position and even position. Okay. Now we are going to select the row which is in odd position. So R1, R2, R3, R4, R5. There are 5 rows. So R1 and R5 are in the boundary rows. So leave it. So among the 3, R2, R3, R4, which is the odd row? R3 is the odd row. And then so select the position. So this is first position, already we have taken. So don't consider. 1, 2, even position. 3, this is the odd position. And then 4 is the even position. 5, even though it is a odd position, already we have taken. So don't consider. So only consider these 3 values. These 3 values, which is the odd value, odd position, 2.71. So this is the odd position. These 2 values are in the even position, 2.11 and 3.49. Similarly, the next one, 8 into odd position, 16 into even position, which is we are going to select even row. How many rows here? Even rows, R2 and R4. So start from here. This is the first place, already we have taken, so don't consider. So 2, 3, 4. This is 5. So 1 and 5 we don't bother. We are going to consider only these 3 positions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the third position, odd position. Similarly from R4, this is the odd position. So we are going to select these 2 values from even rows and then select the odd even positions from even rows. 1.64, 2.71, 2.71, 4.48. So these are the 4 values. So this is the way we are going to select the values respectively, correspondingly, and apply to the formula. We get the answer. Okay, go to the formula. So this is double integral e power x plus y. So hk by 9. 0.25, 0.25 by 9. This is the sum of the corner values. There are 4 values which is already in the trapezoidal rule, the same value, plus 2 into, this is odd position in the boundary, plus 4 into even position on the boundaries. Are you clear? So 2 into odd position on the boundary plus 4 into even position on the boundary, and then plus 4 into odd row. So this value only from odd row, so don't forget. So 4 into 2.7 which is taken from the odd row, plus 8 into, this is odd row but the even positions, this is odd position, this 2 values 2.11, 3.49 from odd row even position. The last one, plus 8 into odd positions from even row. 8 into, there are 2 values which is on the even row odd positions, plus 16 into 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 values in the even positions from even rows. Are you clear? Okay. These first 2, this 4 and this 8 from odd row, this 8, this 16 from even row. Okay, then substitute, simplify. 0.069, how to get? So simplify these things. 0.25 multiply and divide this, we get this value, and simplify this one. So easily we can get finally 0.069, 424.4. Multiply these two value, 2.93. So dear students, by trapezoidal rule as well as Simpson's rules, so the double integration will be 2.93. So we can take the double integral e power x plus y dx dy, ordinary integration. So how to write this? Double integral e power x plus y, it will be 0 to 1 e power x into 0 to 1 e power y dy dx. We can write like this. So using the ordinary double integration, we are going to reach the solution 2.93 etc. So the same answer we can use trapezoidal as well as Simpson's rules. So this is the correct answer. So see the problem step by step. So if you have any doubt, ask me. Okay. So send your comments and like this video and subscribe this video. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Thank you.